This project was made to be a fun and interactive way of learning about the history of Nintendo portable consoles. We wanted to focus on this topic because this company made its success by creating innovative technology and by changing the future of portable consoles. Let's meet the team. This is Courtney. She was our main programmer. No matter the code, she had it down. She was also our fabricator. If she wasn't working on circuitry, then you could find her in the woodshop or print lab, building our board and 3D printing our consoles. This is Ian. Ian was the man of motion as our motion graphic animator. He created assets, storyboards, and compiled the physical animations that were projected. This is me, Maggie. I was the main researcher and documenter of the project. If something was going on with the other two, I was there to capture it. Now let's get back to business. This project was made to be a fun and interactive way of learning about the history of Nintendo portable consoles. We wanted to focus on this topic because this company made its success by creating innovative technology and by changing the future of portable consoles. Our goal was to create a fun, interactive, and modern way of portraying history while preserving the retro vibe of Nintendo. As the consoles become more advanced, so do the animations. As you can see, the Game & Watch has a slower techno vibe while also sticking to a grayscale, for during this time, the consoles did not transmit color on the screens. Now, by the time the Gameboy Color came out, the graphics included color, so our animations reflected this by adding vibrant and lively motions and tonal values. Finally, the consoles became less compact and lighter, allowing for more movement, and by the time the user gets to the switch animation, it is modern, sleek, and clean. By creating an interactive board along with interchangeable blocks and 3D prints, the user was able to choose a console that they wanted to learn about. They would pick it up and physically insert it into the slot, triggering a motion graphic for its corresponding console. There are many steps to the configuration of this project, starting with configuring everything to the right dimensions. We had to physically build a 30 by 40 by 4 box that could house all the sensors, wires, and cords. After all the interior circuitry was complete, we added a small piece of detail to the exterior of the box to make it look more uniform. The projector was placed on a tripod about 11 feet high in the air, facing downward toward the box. Once we got the projections in place, we were then able to map the projections using Mad Mapper. In order to get all the information to its correct location, we had to have an Arduino system connected to a computer, which was then connected to an HDMI cord that was connected to the projector, which projected it on the board. Whenever a block was inserted, it completed one of the 5 circuits due to the placement of copper tape on the bottom of each block. Each circuit was assigned to a specific value when triggered, then is read by processing, which plays a specific video assigned to that value. This allowed our project to be virtually a wireless interaction. In order to relay the information of each console, we decided to create 5 motion graphics. We designed all the assets in Illustrator and Photoshop and animated all the videos in After Effects. We then compiled all the motion graphics and added an image of the console toward the bottom of the video in order to project onto the console itself.